So when I talk about a data-based approach to employee development, what do I mean? Well, for a true data-based approach, you need a concept that has real science behind it. So I think we can tick that box. It should measure something that impacts on key outcomes. Well, the research confirms that the mental toughness, your mental toughness profile, impacts on just about every outcome that matters for you. It should enable us to diagnose needs around mental toughness and behaviour, which you can do. But importantly, if we're going to have a data-based approach, we need to be able to analyse that data, link it to desired outcomes, but also analyse it in a way that we can get to what the data is trying to tell us. Now, I'll give you an example right now about how much this is going, how far this is going. We are in the middle of a pilot project with an organisation employing 14,000 people in several countries and several locations around the world. And they are going to test every single employee. That's quite a bold thing to do, but what they're interested in is, yes, can I help the employee? Can I create self-awareness amongst employees? But I also want to know about the patterns of mental toughness across my organisation. So can I analyse it by location? Because I want to understand which locations of performing better and which are more mentally tough or more mentally sensitive, and particularly what are their patterns of mental toughness and mental sensitivity. I want to understand whether there's an age issue, whether young people are responding differently to the challenges of the organisation to more mature. Is there a level of the organisation issue? Once we've got data and we've got reliable data and the normative measure can bring that data to us, we can do a phenomenal amount with that data. And the next step is to speak to a government of a whole country to be able to do that for directing social and economic policy. But that then allows us to target interventions based on data. So it allows us to move away from one-size-fits-all approaches. So if we have an issue in one location, we direct attention to one location. We don't put everybody through the programme. If there are particular groups of people who are needing support, we provide support to those on a need basis. We don't give it to everybody.